Okay, so we're going to start off with the Earth Goddess Kemetic Prenatal Yoga Sequence with Ziamar. So I want you to extend your arms straight down from your shoulders, pressing down, making Kemetic palms with your hands, fingers together, thumbs in with your fingers. Now, isolate your arms from your shoulder joint and turn your palms out to the side, one at a time. And then from here, I want you to slowly inhale and lift your arms. And you're going to pause once your arms get 3/4 of the way up into the air. And then I want you to slowly exhale. And I want you to reach and extend until your palms come together. Now from here, I want you to breathe in. And I want you to slowly exhale, release your head, let your head go back, open up your neck and your throat, and releasing any tension out of the neck, out of the shoulders. Now bring your head up straight, breathe in, let your head come up straight, and you're gonna exhale, and you're gonna grab your left wrist with your right hand, turning your left wrist in the opposite direction, palm facing the ceiling. You breathe in, lift up and extend, and let your body tilt over to your right, lengthening the ribs in the left side of your body, lengthening your latissimus dorsi. When you breathe in, you bring your body up straight, and then slowly exhale to the opposite side. As you switch your hands, you exhale and you allow your body to go to the opposite side, opening up the ribs, opening up the hip, lengthening, keeping the neck muscles relaxed, keeping the facial muscles relaxed, keeping a calm demeanor. Now when you breathe in, you let your body rise up straight. Hold your breath while you bring the back of your hands together. Now you're going to slowly exhale and lower your arms down. You're going to feel the energy moving through your arms into your hands, surrounding your body with life force as your arms come down, creating an aura, a protective aura around your body. Now breathe in through your nose. Slowly exhale, shifting your hips back. You're going to keep your legs straight until you're able to go down as far as you can go comfortably, but don't force it. Exhaling as far as you can go. And then you're going to breathe in again. And as you exhale, you're going to bend your knees. Lower your bottom down just enough so that you can get your back of your fingers or your knuckles to the floor. You want to keep your weight balanced on the bottom of your feet. And you're going to bring your chin all the way down to your chest until you feel a nice release in your spine, in your hips, in the muscles in the back of your thighs, and also in your calf muscles. As you hold this position, you breathe in slowly and you breathe out slowly. Then after your last exhalation, you let yourself come up. You're going to breathe in, hands come to your thighs, and you're going to lift yourself up as you inhale, rising slowly with your inhalation, always placing the hands to the thighs to come up to keep any strain off your back. And then when you exhale, let your knees bend a little bit. Keep your weight centered onto the bottom of your feet. And as you breathe, with the tip of the tongue connected to the roof of the mouth, you're feeling the life force swirling around in the area of the belly where the baby is located, sending life force and energy to the child, releasing all tension from your body. Mind is clear and focused.